My class of mobile computing. Today we will learn about data management issues. Data management technology that can support easy data access from and to mobile devices is among the main concerns in mobile information system. A base station or fixed host manages its own database with a DBMS like functionality, with additional functionality for locating mobile units and additional query and transaction management features to meet the requirement of mobile environment. Data management technology that can support easy data access from and to mobile devices is among the main concerns in mobile information systems. Mobile database. Data management technology that enables the use of databases on the mobile computing environment. The database is more advanced and challenging than the fixed distributed databases. Mobile environment model. A mobile environment consists of two distinct set of entities, mobile host and fixed host. Cell. Mobile hosts are connected by wireless connection to the MSS of the cell where they currently exist. A mobile host can move within a cell or between two cells while retaining its network connection. Every host and cell in the system is associated with a unique identifier. A mobile host acts as a data client and a data server at the same time. A fixed host called location server keeps information of locations of all mobile hosts located within its management coverage. This is the diagrammatic representation of mobile environment model. Here the mobile host is connected with MSSs and in turn it is connected with location server. This is a fixed network and all mobile hosts. There are three mobile hosts seen and all of the three are connected with location server and they are in fixed network and these are the cells. Mobile database characteristics. The environment where mobile databases are deployed is a mix of two different networks, that is the fixed network and the wireless network. Fixed network characteristics: fixed host configuration, relatively high capacity, high reliability and low connection cost. Wireless network characteristic: dynamic network topology, relatively low capacity, low reliability and high connection cost. Techniques to avoid compromising database performance due to the use of wireless network: reducing the number of data exchanged via mobile network, reducing the response time of accessing data via mobile network, providing data cache on mobile host. Limited resources available to mobile users. Mobile hosts will likely bring only the fraction of data they need to access frequently during mobile. Consistency requirement on databases, both on mobile and fixed host. Techniques to address the problem: transaction management, for mobile databases, allocation of mobile database replication on the fixed network. Mobile hosts have low security. The worst case, for example, our data on the mobile host would be completely lost if the mobile host become the subject of theft. Data management issues. Data distribution and replication, transaction models, query processing, caching, database interfaces, recovery and fault tolerance, location based service, security. First is mobile database design. First step for designing any database is the designing step. Because of the frequent shutdown and for handling the queries, the global name resolution problem is compounded. Security, the data which is left at the fixed position is more secure as compatible to mobile data. That is, mobile data is less secure. Data are also becoming more volatile and techniques must be able to compensate for its loss. The most important thing needed in this environment is the authorizing access to critical data and proper techniques. Data distribution and replication is also one of the issue. Uneven distribution of data among the mobile unit and the base station takes place here. Higher data availability and low cost of remote access is there in data distribution and replications. The problem of cache management is compounded by the consistency constraint. The most updated data and frequently accessed data is provided by the caches to the mobile unit. It processes their own transaction. There is more efficient access of data and higher security is available. Transactions model in mobile environment, the issues of correctness of transaction and fault tolerance are aggravated. All transaction must satisfy the ACID property. These are atomicity, consistency, isolation and durability. Depending upon the movement of mobile unit, possibly on multiple data sets and through several base stations, a mobile transaction is executed sequentially. When the mobile computers are disconnected, ACID properties get hard to enforce. Because of the disconnection in mobile units, there is expectation that a mobile transaction will be lived long. Recovery and fault tolerance. Fault tolerance is the ability of a system to perform its function correctly even in the presence of internal fault. Fault can be classified in two types: transient and permanent. Without any apparent intervention, a transient fault will be eventually disappeared, but a permanent fault will remain unless it is removed by some external agencies. Location based services. One of the most challenging tasks which must be undertaken is determining the location of mobile users, which must be undertaken in order to enable a location based service. A cache information becomes sale when client move location dependent. Eviction techniques are important in this case. Issues that arises in location and services are user privacy, diverse mobile mapping, standard market capability, interoperability, updation of the location dependent queries, and then applying spatial queries to refresh the cache causes a problem. Query processing. Because of the mobility and rapid resource changes of mobile unit, query optimization becomes the most complicated. That is, query processing is affected when mobility is considered. There is a need to return a query response to mobile unit that may be in transit. The cost that affect the most in centralized environment is the input output. Data distribution and replication. Higher data availability and lower cost of remote access. More efficient access to data. Higher security. Generally, the available replication techniques assume the development on fixed distribution environment. Replication issues. Increasing the number of replicas will result in the increase of cost for updates and signaling. Mobile host can move anywhere and anytime. Transaction models. All transactions must satisfy the ACID. ACID stands for atomicity, atomic or atomicity, consistent, isolated, durable. Effect of mobility on atomicity. The property of atomicity guarantees that partial results of a transaction do not exist in the database. If a transaction fails to commit, then all its effects are removed from the database. Mobility does not alter the definition of atomicity but makes its enforcement quite difficult. Transaction execution log is required for implementing atomicity. The log is stored in the server in a conventional system and it is easily available. Since a mobile unit gets connected and disconnected to several servers when it is a mobile, a different logging scheme is required in mobile environment. Effect of mobility on consistency. In a centralized or distributed environment, there is only one correct value for each data object. A replicated database is said to be in a mutually consistent state if all copies have the exact same value. In addition, a database is in consistent state if all the integrity constraints identified for the database are followed. In mobile system, the presence of location dependent data defines two types of consistency, namely spatial consistency and temporal consistency. Effect of mobility on isolation. This isolation property ensures that a transaction does not interface with the execution of another transaction. Isolation is enforced using a concurrency control mechanisms. In a mobile environment, since a mobile unit may visit many data regions and process location dependent data, the concurrency control mechanism must ensure isolation in each region separately but achieve isolation for the entire transaction. Effect of mobility on durability. Durability guarantees the persistence of committed data item in the database. In a mobile system, the durability is a region durability is regional as well as global. For special replica, regional regional durability is enforced, while for temporal replica, global durability is enforced. Different concurrent transaction performed should be serializable. In a mobile system, a global transaction is divided into a number of subtractions, which are then executed at multiple nodes. The entire execution requires a software module called a coordinator, which manages a set of activities leading to termination. If leading to termination, mobile transactions are in general distributed transactions where some actions are performed in mobile computer and others in fixed host. Asset properties are hard to ensure, especially when the mobile computers are disconnected. Query processing. Query processing is affected when mobility is considered. It is possible to formulate location independent queries. For example, where is the nearest gas station, or which are the cinemas that project some film at 8 p.m. in this city. Return different values depending on the view location and the mobile computer. Query optimization methods try in general to obtain execution plans which minimize CPU, input output, and communication cost. In centralized environment, the cost that affects most is the input output. In distributed environment, communications cost is the one. In distributed environments, communication cost is the important one. In a mobile distributed environment, the communication costs are much more difficult to estimate because the mobile host may be situated in different locations. Dynamic optimization strategies are required in the mobile distributed database processing. Caching. Caching techniques for query processing can reduce communication cost dramatically. Difficult to apply caching techniques in mobile context because cache contents may change rapidly or get out of date due to mobility. Updates to the cache memory may not be sent due to disconnection of the mobile unit. Database interfaces. Design of query interface such as query by account are convenient to use, address the feature of screen life, address limitations and restricted. How the pen and voice can be used as substantial for mouse and keyboard. Implementation of a pen field implementation of pen-based graphical database interface on a computer. Recovery and fault tolerance. The mobile computing environment is characterized by limited resource availability, high mobility, low bandwidth, and these features makes the mobile computing environment more susceptible to transient fault. Software faults are the results of problem in software running on PDAs. Example, mobile cache. Transaction recovery deals with the capability of ensuring failure automaticity. Thank you for watching.